Hello and welcome to Hayridge Model Rail. I'm Alan. In this video I'll be finishing off the track lane and making a start on soldering the dropper wires. So you join me back working on the layout. I'm going to make a start on the siding section. Now I've got a piece of track here which has been previously used, and as you can see, I'll get it in focus, it's had the sleepers trimmed on it. So I'm going to do is start by replacing them and adding a couple of extra sleepers on the end just to make it up, and then we'll offer it up and put it in position. So I have installed the first track aligner, and once I've done the second one just above, I will get the soldering iron out and get those all fixed in place before we cut the rails. But I'm pleased with the way it's gone. Kept it as straight as possible across the join to make it easy, and I will do the same for this one, which is pretty straight. So I'm gonna just trim the cork and then obviously offer up the track aligner and get that fitted. Obviously we've done this side now, so we've got 3 sidings which will be in there, so 2 more points to add after this section here, 3 sidings to put in, and then that will be all the track laid. So all looking good. As you can see, I've now finished the track lane, and last thing to do is to just trim the cork back, and then I'm going to work out where I need to put dropper wires for the power, start making the servo housings, and work on the control system, which I am going to be using my Hornby Railmaster software. I will include that in the price. I'll look up and see how much you can get it for now. I believe they don't make it anymore, so it will be second hand. But I'll go from there and also give you an update of all the costings so far, how much everything's cost. So we'll get on with the trimming of the cork, and then we'll work out where we're going to need to put some dropper wires. Right, I've made a start putting some dropper wires in, and I've got another one to put in just here. Drilled the 2mm hole already, so we're gonna tin the cable and then put a little bit of solder on the outside of the rail. Hopefully offer them both up, make our connection. There we go. Be a little bit that's better. There you go. I'll feed that wire down through the hole, and hopefully it should be almost invisible. There we go. So I'm happy that I've got this track done now. So I'll move on to the back. And I'm going to need one here, and then I'll put two further down the other side of the point, which should bring it into shot. Is there, so I'll have to bring feeds in here as well. Here's a list of the layout costs so far, including all of my purchases to date, totaling just under £193. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.